In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to use the built-in timer. This quick guide will help you keep meetings, workshops, and brainstorming sessions on track with clear time boundaries and a calm, consistent pace. We'll keep it simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find the timer and how to set it up so everyone stays focused. First, let's locate the timer. Look to the top right area of your collaboration toolbar. You're looking for the Facilitation Tools icon, which appears as a small clock face with a play button. That's your timer gateway. If your toolbar is crowded, take a second to scan that top right corner carefully. The icon can blend in with other controls, but the clock and play symbol is the giveaway. Once you spot it, you're in the right place to manage time without breaking your flow. Next, set your duration. Click the Facilitation Tools icon to open the timer controls. You'll see options to adjust the time using plus and minus buttons, which is great for quick changes, or you can type the exact duration if you already know how long you want the session to be. This flexibility makes it easy to dial in short bursts for activities like silent sorting or longer blocks for discussions. You can also choose music to play during the countdown. Pick a track that suits the mood of your session, something upbeat for energy or something gentler to keep things calm. The idea is to give participants a subtle cue that time is passing without having to call it out yourself. A quick note before you dive in. You need to upgrade to use this feature. If you click the icon and see a prompt about upgrading, that's expected. The timer is part of an enhanced toolkit designed for structured facilitation, so make sure your plan includes access to it before you rely on it for a critical session. That's all there is to it. Find the Facilitation Tools icon in the top right collaboration toolbar, click it, set the duration using the plus and minus buttons, or by typing the time, and choose your countdown music. With this setup, you'll provide a clear, shared sense of timing that keeps your agenda moving smoothly, reduces overrun, and helps participants stay engaged without constant reminders. Use it consistently, and you'll notice your sessions feel more organized and more productive.